Today I want to introduce a research tool from CUSABIO. So as you see, this is CUSABIO website. We have a technical resource page, and inside here we have the research tools. With this page, we offer different types of tools for your research. But today, I want to introduce the Nucleotide Reverse Complementarity Tool. With this tool, you can easily enter a nucleic acid sequence. Then, based on the conversion type that you choose, you will get the corresponding result. We offer 3 different conversion types. So the first is the reverse sequence. So this one is the original sequence will be arranged in a reverse order. So for example, it will be like, directly GATCG. Yeah. And then we also have the second one, the complementary sequence. So with this sequence, based on the base pairing rules, the complementary sequence will be generated, meaning that, it's ATG, so TAC. We also have the third one, the reverse complement sequence. Then for this one, the reverse, it will be obtained by first generating the complementary sequence, and then we reverse it. So meaning that, from the reverse order will be CTAG, so CTAG, as you see. And also we offer 2 different types. The sequence can be in DNA or can be in RNA. So, it's very quick to get the conversion result. And with the conversion result, you can either copy or download the file. We also offer the sequence analysis. With this analysis, you will know the length of the DNA sequence, and also you will know the GC content, some information like this. Also in this page, we have the introduction about the base pairing rules. Everyone knows it, so no more introduction about this part. We also offer some information like the conversion principle behind this tool, and also features as well as applications about this tool. So in summary, the Nucleotide Reverse Complementarity Tool is a very useful tool where after you enter a nucleic acid sequence and you select the conversion type, then you will get the corresponding result. So hopefully you enjoy to use this one. Yeah.